Can you make money online as a small content creator and YouTuber?
My channel currently stands at less than 300, around 204. However, that does not impact how much I make because I'm leveraging YouTube to build a business. And depending on where you are in terms of your positioning and what you are offering as services, you can easily make between $2,000, which is around 30,000 right in my currency in the country where I am from, which is South Africa, to a whole lot more. And when I mean a whole lot more, people are making from 150,000 rand, and that is $10,000 upwards using a small YouTube. So to my fellow business athletes and online bosses, I kind of wanted to just clarify what I mean by making money as a small content creator and YouTuber. You need to understand that there is a difference between making content that entertains, which is the regular content creator, and making content that sells, which is how you make money as a small YouTuber or content creator. And you can drop me a DM if you want to know more about that. So there's a distinctive difference between those two, and both set of people create content, but the content that they will create will fundamentally be different.